Get yourselves ready. We'll be going in a moment. Bow north. Go boys. And 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. Go boys, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 1, 2, 3. Got us settling, just keep the power. 1, good boys. 2. Nice rowing, keep your oars close to the water on your recovery. A little bit of a side chop. And off we go. We're with Batemans Bay, we're travelling comfortably. Just settle in. It's us in the bay. Nice boys. Just get your breathing sorted, feel good, feel strong. We're travelling nicely. Let it pull through. There actually feels like there's nice water to see as well. Lovely, Nick. Just watch your blade depths, mate. Want everyone to focus on lifting their hands and getting their catch. That's it, boys. Doing great. It's us in the bay. Keep the power. Now try and hook the first runner out with the can. You're about 50 metres. Looking good, lads. That's us. Looking good. Look over and get your catches, though. Come on. Mitch. That's a boy. Come on. Come on, boys. Power up. Long and strong. 20 metres to turn. Hard now. Yeah, get us moving up there. Moving up. Ready to turn. Turn. And away. There it is. And go on that. Right, here we go. And hit it. Go, boys. There's the runner. Go now. Go after him. And running. Beautiful running. Beautiful. And again, we need this one. Come on with the bay. And hit.
Up 3 now.
And attack. 1. Go, boys. 2. Good.
Big.
3. Righto, Brenton, take him again, mate. Right, stand hard, go hard. And 1. 2, long and strong. We need this run, you're on it, go. Doing good, Mitch. Go, boys, come on. And hit. Right, now hard, go, go. Attack it. Good rowing, fucking awesome rowing.
Here we go, boys, ready?
Righto, off we go and hard. Come on, boys. Stay on it. Come on, lads. And hit now. 1. Long and strong, come on, power up. Righto, here we go. And go now, go, 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 go again. And again! And again! Go, boys! And hard! Keep going! Bow! Stand for 2! Go! Muscle it! Come on! Rest! Great row. Good row. Shoot the blades. Hey, awesome row. Legs over. And out. Well done, boys. Great row. 1. Everyone away you go, boys. 1, 2, 3 up.